And then you have short videos. Now I always say it's short. Short for me, from a Salesforce perspective, is maximum 5 minutes. And even that is long. Ideally, you try to make them between 2 and 3 minutes. Because that's the attention span people are having when they're on the job and they need to watch a short video how I do something. They're not going to watch you waffle for 5 minutes. Yeah, it needs to be a quick, snappy, right, click, 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 this is what you do. Oh yeah, you know, the way we also look in YouTube about help me creating a flow. You don't want to watch an hour-and-a-half video to figure out how to do a flow. Can you please give me a 30-second clip on how to do a flow? Yeah, that example, that's also how you do it for training. Yeah. With that, what is very important in creating videos, and unfortunately I've seen this happen way too often, is that people, for example, don't use professional setup. Now, you don't have to have a studio for it, but for example, here my room, my office is really quiet. I don't have background noise, and I make sure my cats are out of the room, so it is quiet. So when I'm recording videos, there is no distraction, no cat walking past me, you know, there's no noise. I make sure there's branding in there. I make sure there's subtitles, which also for all of you is really useful to have videos with subtitles. Take a bit about while to create, but you have to do that. And make sure your recording is very clean. Like make sure all your pop-ups are off. And make sure you have good sounds. The amount of time I have seen videos that people create in a very busy office, have the headset on, and you sort of have all the background noise going through it and trying to figure out what they're doing. And it's sort of a zoomed out, so it's very small on the screen. So building professional videos take quite a bit of time, and probably more than people are aware of.